Hi, my name is Julie. I'm a career counselor at Columbus State, ready to walk you through Handshake's landing page. This is Handshake's landing page. Again, you'll use your username and password to be able to log in, to be able to access this page. Handshake is the #1 way that students can find out about jobs while making it easy for employers to recruit you. Employers from all across the U.S. and Central Ohio have opportunities posted for your review. You should use Handshake to apply where you have the advantage, where recruiters want to talk to you, to help you find the right job for you, schedule an appointment with career services, and to discover companies that you would like to work for. On Handshake's landing page, you can review upcoming virtual FaceTime events with employers and view all events. You can click here to view all the different events. Events that you're interested in, you could go ahead and click on the ribbon to save them so that you are reminded and can attend those in the future. To get back to the Handshake landing page, you can click here. You can also use these different ways to sort to find events that you're interested in. As we scroll down here, you will notice that once you've completed your profile and begin to interact with Handshake, the system will learn more information about the types of jobs that you're looking for and will highlight potential matches for you here. Just click See More to be able to look at the jobs that might be of interest to you, and click on ones that you've saved that you are interested in to find out more information about. From there, you can go ahead and look at the jobs you've saved based on the roles that you've indicated in your profile that you're interested in. Will show up here and you can review those, and you can also click to see more. And recommend it on your activity. Again, as you go through Handshake, it's going to learn more about you and highlight different employers that might be of interest to you. It will also show you any jobs that are expiring soon so that you have a chance to be able to apply for those. This is just a tutorial on what is included on the Handshake landing page. Thank you so much for attending, and watch more for other tutorials.